They think I'm insane, you tell me a change. Some days it feels like I'm holding my brother, went out of my way, keeping you safe. You didn't know half of the secrets I've kept, living with shame from all of this pain. So what can I gain when nothing is love? What can I gain when nothing is love? I come from a place of hardship that'll make you heartless. Staring into space at the blazing scarlet sky, so long to the face of starlit. As I gaze the farthest, black holes form can escape the darkness. I am not a man, a Martian, but I channel the pain and became an artist. Quit now, I know I'd rather not. I done came too far to go back to rock bottom. A hand-me-down flows my family got. A pan of pot to fist, we ain't have a lot, but I lived it from a lavish stop. Had an elevator above it like a astronaut, but we ain't blasting off. No, I blast the block and leave a hole in your apple like a Macintosh. Picture blotting with the pen, gotta be a sin. Even God must have wanted me to win when the odds were slim. Did the lottery and win against everyone who doubted me. I'm probably the hottest in the wind. Ding ding, what's the best shot? Took it on the chin. There's no man alive. I'm my level, better get in mind. Then I grind many times more when I'm energized. 99% of everybody getting drunk so high. For real though, the ill flows. I kill those, far still goes. I'm a savage, deal blows. I will my way up the ladder, real close to the goal. But I gotta slay the dragon, build bold the Caggins. I cackle and laugh and hell smoke, relax and take notes. The goat is now back, but a passion for rapping and cash and bankroll. They know spot to go snap and take souls. Face closed, whipping a rapper gold a minute. Like gold no flow is so cold that it froze. December a code defending. I come to go get a home run in the bottom of the ninth, but the whole dependent. But some days feel like God's to quit. When anxiety is something that I jostle with, the monster is inside a sarcophagus, in the pit of my stomach and esophagus. I yell, I live on the edge, I'm not scared of these heights. Close to the ledge, think that I might fall and be dead by the end of the night. But this is the greatest I felt in my life. Right, part of the fight. This is the part that I like as I lay on the mic to the violent flames that ignite. And I might the mayhem and chaos excite. But bit vein on the insane to this date. So rip pain, bitch, I'm Rick Kane. When I spit a blow, I lead a shit and critical mate scene. That y'all are more fake than a titty with sick bean. I used to daydream on the train at 18 and make beat. Go put out a video, take beat. Cause we was open up the city with rate the 18. But instead of idiot, take me. I found rap, but I gave it a whirl. Little for the aimed at the world. Sipping on Moscato to the bottom, but the bottom feeling hollow. Cause I got a lot of haters and it's making me hurl. Really y'all always starting shit. You can push me up into my hard limit. Yeah, but after that, it ain't just an argument. You get a Spartan kid into a dark abyss. It's a nigga insane, you tell me a change. Just some days it feels like I'm holding my breath. I went out of my way, keeping me safe. You didn't know half of the secrets I've kept. Living with shame from all of this pain. So what can I gain when nothing is love? What can I gain when nothing is love? Oh, you don't got nothing to let go. I got no fucking respect for you. Let her love and go next. Oh, fading up from us like echoes. Calling my name, I hear them calling my name. Think I'm insane, demon are calling. I feel that I'm falling below.
Guess who's back? Mommy! We're home! Say hello to my little friends!
It's the moment y'all been waiting for, like California, which I'm raining for, and that drought y'all been praying for. My downfall from the 8 Mile to the South Pass to the same marshal, that outlaw that they say is alright. I might have felt off. I'm back on that bull like the cow. Got no time for no haters in this bitch, or toleration for the shit, but like medication, my dedication and the time it takes to do this shit reminds me of how an overcrowded hospital waiting room again. What I mean is maybe I have more patience than I'm able to admit. I can, I think I can, I know I can. Psycho I am, mic on my knife, go right hand in my left hand. I hold my stand. Little engine go. Chill, I got zero, zip, zero, just like Kaepernick. I got nails. All of y'all can just suck a penis. I'll do the opposite. Eat your pussies like cunnilingus. There ain't no stopping it. They say I'm such a genius. When that kamikaze hit, now they call me Butterfingers. Cause I just keep dropping shit. You wanna butt headshot? Little engine go, bin go. I'm losing control. Heroin and roll, Marilyn Monroe. Overdid the dose. Trying to rip roll up the window like a wind window. Little engine go, little engine. Psycho, killer, Michael, thriller. My flow, ain't shit. I go, thriller. My flow, stiller. Psycho, killer. I hope, silver.
Yeah, all I need, all of me on my knees, normally harmony, bumblebee, hummingbird. I'm a nerd, study you, what do you, we fighting, we might need counseling, possibly more so me, sounds to me, frowns will be grounds to leave hounds to be looking for you before you drop a tear. I pray them stop pretending that I ain't them some dumpling I remember when you start dying them silver hairs and start hiding from your age. I ask why, how come? Amazing how time can run away from us. I'm no nun, you're no priest, but I promise, hun, you gon' see a phenomenon. Come with me like it's Ramadan. I don't eat like it's Comic-Con. I'm a freak for you, yeah. I'm begging now, pretty please, with cherries on top, Harry with try Harriet up, man, don't give up. And if your gut tells you to strut, then I'll hail you a car, but what man won't beg? You know I'm nutmeg, I will show up on a little moped with a little puppy. It'll be fluffy, you will untough and we can discuss it.
Little engine go, been a vin go, I'm losing control. Heroin and blow, Marilyn Monroe, overdid the dose. Trying to rip roll up the Indian dome, like a wind window. Little engine go, little engine. Dr. Dre, psycho, killer, Michael, thriller. My flow, ain't shit, I go, thriller. My flow, stiller, psycho, killer. I hope, silver.
Yo, I'm in red form. Niggas speak down on my name like I wasn't there for 'em. Talk about back in the days, this isn't back in the days. They want me back in my ways, shit proof in the fade. My thumb struck a lot of lighters, pulled a lot of all-nighters, banned from some after-hour spots. My crew would choose violence, moving silence. Who knew I grew to build an empire? Streets had me against the ropes, would've thought I was zip lining. I got my Mets hat on to the back. Y'all already know where we going with the stats. Hall of Fame only, kings and queens only. They all be grabbing my style, but you know they can't hold me.